जी मैम, मैडम इधर नाम नहीं देखेगा। हाँ एस, ठीक है। थैंक यू। और है इधर है। सर इधर सर, थैंक यू सर।
Everyone, thank you so much everyone for coming. There is a small gift from my side. So from me and Murali Anna, he has crafted a beautiful mridangam, which is going to be the gift for Vibha. This is from my side and Murali Anna's side.
Namaskara. On behalf of Sanskriti Academy of Fine Arts, it gives me great pleasure to welcome all the friends, relatives and well-wishers of Vibha who have assembled here to witness the first crucial steps taken by this young girl into the discipline of Mridangam. Arangetram is a word in the Tamil language which means the atrium or ascension of the aranga or stage by an artist on the completion of her basic training. On the day of the Arangetram, the student offers her knowledge of this art form at the feet of Lord Shiva Nataraja and her Guru. But an Arangetram is not to be understood as an end in itself, but rather the beginning. Vibha, who has earlier completed her Bharatnatyam Arangetram, will today ascend the stage with the hopes to do justice to all that she has imbibed from her Acharya, Sri Dakshinamurti Pillai. We commence today's performance with the Mallari. Mallari is an integral part of the traditional temple music known as Devaram or Tevaram, which is sung in praise of the deities. The composition is characterized by its complex rhythms, melodic patterns, and the lyrics that extol the virtues of the divine and is often performed during daily pujas, festivals, and special occasions. The music is typically rendered by traditional temple musicians known as Oduvas, who sing and play traditional instruments like the Nagaswaram, Tawil, and Veena. Today, we are privileged to have the accomplished K. Pandiselvi play a Mallari composed by Vibha's Guru, Sri Dakshinamurti Pillai, presenting Mallari in Ragam Gambhira Natai, set to Sankirna Jati, Triputatal. Kavutvam means a hymn recited in praise of various deities. Traditionally, Kavutvams were performed as a part of the daily rituals in temples on special occasions or during festivals. Today, Vibha will present before you a Kavutvam in praise of Lord Muruga, originally composed by Madurai Murlidharan, re-arranged and performed today by Sri Kalishwaran Pillai. Muruga Kavutvam in Ragam Shanmukha Priya set to Rupakatal.
வருகுது 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 வேல் முற்றும் வினையது விலகுது 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 பார் கற்ற தமிழது இனியது 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 தான் முற்ற பயனது பெருகுது மனமதில் உருகுது தான் சுற்றி வருகுது 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 வேல் முற்றும் வினையது விலகுது 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 பார் கற்ற தமிழது இனியது 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 தான் முற்ற பயனது பெருகுது மனமதில் உருகுது தான் சுற்றி சரவண பவகுஹ அழகன் 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 ஹர ஹர சிவன் மகன் முருகன் 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 அருள் தரு குரு பரன் குமரன் 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 அருப்படை அருமகன் வரதன் 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 சரவண பவகுஹ அழகன் 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 ஹர ஹர சிவன் மகன் முருகன் 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 அருள் தரு குரு பரன் குமரன் 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 அருப்படை அருமுகன் வரதன் 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 சரவண பவகுஹ அழகன் 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 ஹர ஹர சிவன் மகன் முருகன் 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 அருள் தரு குரு பரன் குமரன் 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 அருப்படை அருமுகன் வரதன் 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 சரவண பவகுஹ அழகன் 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 ஹர ஹர சிவன் மகன் முருகன் 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 அருள் தரு குரு பரன் குமரன் 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 அருப்படை அருமுகன் வரதன் 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 தக்கிட்டதாம் 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 தக்கதாம் 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 தத்தாம் 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 ತಗದರಿಗಿಡದೊಂ 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 ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟತಾಂ 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 ತಕ್ಕತಾಂ 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 ತತಾಂ 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 ತಗದರಿಗಿಡದೊಂ 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 ಮುರುಗ 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 ಕುಮರ 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 ಮುರುಗ 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 ಕುಮರ 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 மனதார பணிவாக மலராக மலர்ந்திருந்தவன் மயிலேறி விளையாடி திருவாக தவழ்ந்துயர்ந்தவன் மலையார தனி சேவல் கொடியே மகிழ்ந்தமர்ந்தவன் மறையோது அடியாரை மனதேந்தி அனன் அருள்பவன் எரிக்கும் நெருப்பில் பொறியென உதித்தவன் நீ மயக்கும் மலை தேன்வள்ளியை மணந்தவன் நீ வியக்கும் விதத்தில் சூரனை அளித்தவன் நீ மனத்தால் நினைத்தார் வினையற அருள்பவன் நீ எரிக்கும் நெருப்பில் புரியன உதித்தவன் நீ மயக்கும் மலை தேன் வள்ளியை மணந்தவன் நீ வியக்கும் விதத்தில் சூரனை அளித்தவன் நீ மனத்தால் நினைத்தார் வினையர் அருள்பவன் நீ தும் கிட்டத்தக்க தொண கிட்டத்தக்க தாதி தும் கிட்டத்தக்க தொண கிட்டத்தக்க தாதி தும் கிட்டத்தக்க தொண கிட்டத்தக்க தா 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 தி 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 தா குதி குதா கிட்ட குதி குதா கிட்ட தும் கிட்டத்தக்க தம் நம் கிட்டத்தக்க தி கிட்டாம் தாம் தத தாம் தாம் தத தா குதி குதா கிட்ட தக்குதி குதா கிட்ட தும் கிட்டத்தக்க தம் நம் கிட்டத்தக்க தி குத்தாம் தாம் தத தாம் தாம் தத தா குதி குதா கிட்ட தக்குதி குதா கிட்ட தும் கிட்டத்தக்க தம் நம் கிட்டத்தக்க தி குத்தாம் தாம் தத தாம் தாம் தத தாம்.
Varnam is a type of composition that explores the nuances of a particular raga and tada. An Antatada Varnam is characterized by intricate rhythmic patterns, complex melodic phrases, and lyrical beauty. It serves as a training piece for Carnatic musicians, helping them develop their skills in navigating complex rhythms and melodic structures. The Raga Bhairavi holds a special place in Vibha's heart, and she had the pleasure of performing a Jati Swaram in the same ragam at her Bharatnatyam Arangeryam. Today, she has the honor of accompanying the highly accomplished Kirtana Krishnan in a Varnam set to Ragam Bhairavi, Talam Khanda Jati, Kattataram, composed by Lachminirayam Adeyapaya.
ಸರಿ ಗಮ ಪದ ಮದ ಪ ನಿನಿ ದದ ದ ಪ ಮನಿ ಧನಿ ಪದನಿ ಮ ಪದ ಸರಿ ನಿದ ಮಗರಿ ಸರಿ ನಿ ಸರಿ ಮ ಪದ ಮಪ್ಪ ಧನಿ ಸ ನಿಧಿ ಸ ನಿದ ಸ ನಿದ ಪ ಮಗರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ರಿ ಬೋ
Oh
ni sari gama gama ni ni da da ni da da mama pa mama gari ga ni da da mama gari sa ni sari ga chiru no muna da ni da da ni da da ma ni da pa ma da pa ma gari ga ma pa da da ni da ni sa ni gari ni da pa da ma pa ma gari sa re ni sa gari ga chiru no sari gari ni sadi ni sadi sa ni ni da gari sa ni da pa da ni sari pa da ni sadi da pa gari re ni gari sa sama gari pa ma gari ga ma pa da pa ma ni da pa pa ma gari ga ma pa da ma pa ga ma pa ni gari ma ga pa ma da pa ni da ni pa da ma pa gari ga ma pa ma pa da ni sa ni gari ga ni sa ni ri sa ni da pa da ma pa da ni sa sa ni ri ga ga ma ga ri sa ni ri sa ni da pa da ni sa ma pa pa da ni sa ga ni da ri sa ni da ni da ma ma da ri sa ni sa ri ga chiru no We now pay obeisance to Lord Ganesha with a small kriti that is unplanned in the ragam Sri Ranjani and a favorite of Vibha, I think, because we just tested in the mic check, so she played very well. So we thought we'll start with that ragam Sri Ranjani Talam Adi. Gajavadana Karuna Sadana Gajavadana Karuna Sadana Shri Gajavadana Karuna Sadana Shri Gajavadana Karuna Sadana Shankara Bala Lambodara Sundara Gajavadana Karuna Sadana Shankara Bala Lambodara Sundara Gajavadana Karuna Sadana Ajan Amarendranum Munivarum Paniyum Ajan Amarendranum Munivarum Paniyum Pankaja Charana Sharanam Sharanam Ajan Amarendranum Munivarum Paniyum Pankaja Charana Sharanam Sharanam Shri Gajavadana Karuna Sadana நீயே மூவுலகிற்கு ஆதாரம் நீயே மூவுலகிற்கு ஆதாரம் நீயே சிவகம மந்திர
Shobhilu Saptaswara, composed by Saint Tyagaraja Swami, is indeed a beautiful and profound expression of the significance of the 7 musical notes, the Saptaswara, in Hindu philosophy and spirituality. The lyrics urge the mind to praise the divine forms of the 7 musical notes which are said to reside in various parts of the human body, including the navel, heart, neck, tongue, and nose. The notes are also described as shining in the 4 Vedas, the ancient Hindu scriptures, and in the Gayatri Mantra, considered to be the essence of the Vedas. Furthermore, the poet says that the 7 notes sparkle in the hearts of the celestials, Devas, worthy sages, Bhusuras, and even the great composer Tyagaraja himself. Presenting Shobhilu Saptaswaram in Ragam Jagan Mohini set to Talam Rupakam.
नाभि हृत्कण्ठरसदा नाभि हृत्कण्ठरसदा नाभि हृत्कण्ठरसदा नाभि हृत्कण्ठरसदा नाभि ಸ್ವರ ಸುಂದರುಲ ಭಜಿಂಪವೆ ಮನಸ ಸೋಬಿಲ್ಲು ಸಪ್ತ ಸ್ವರ 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 ಬಿಲ್ಲು ಸಪ್ತ ಸ್ವರ ಸುಂದರುಲ ಭಜಿಂಪವೆ ಮನಸ ಸೋಬಿಲ್ಲು ಸಪ್ತ ಸ್ವರ ಸುಂದರುಲ ಭಜಿಂಪವೆ ಮನಸ ಸೋಬಿಲ್ಲು ಸಪ್ತ ಸ್ವರ दरहृत् समतुललो दरहृत् समतुललो दरहृत् समतुललो दरहृत् समतुललो वरगायत्री हृदयमुन दरहृत् समतुललो वरगायत्री हृदयमुन सुरभूसुरमानस मुद सुरभूसुरमानस मुद सुरभूसुर मानस मुन सुरभूसुर मानस मुन शुभ त्यागराजुनियड सुरभूसुर मानस मुन शुभ त्यागराजुनियड सा सा पा नि स नि प म ग रि स नि स स मगरि सनि स स मग पमनि प सनि गरि स गम पनि स प सनि पमनि नि मनि प मग म प स प मगरि स स मा गरि स सा नि प म मा गरि स गम पनि स सनि प प मगरि स सनि नि स సగరి స మగరి స పమని పమగరి సని పమగరి సని పని సగమ పని స నిప నిసని సగరి సమగరి సని పని సరి సమగరి సగమ నిప పసని పమని సగరి సగమ పని సో బిల్లు సప్త స్వర సుందగుల భజింపవే మనస భజింపవే మనస భజింపవే మనస సో బిల్లు సప్త స్వర
Today's main composition is the captivating Sarakshak Paripalaya, which promises to be a rich and immersive experience.
నెక్స్ట్ ఆనందనంతనం ప్రకాశం
Okay.
ఆనంద్
We now move on into a more meditative space with this beautiful Panchabhuta Kriti, Ananda Natana Prakasham, a composition of Muthuswami Dikshita. This Kriti is a tribute to the Lord of Chidambaram, who is worshipped as Akasha, space, one of the 5 fundamental elements. The legend behind this Kriti is fascinating, involving the sages Patanjali and Vyaghrapada, who performed intense penance to invoke the Lord's presence. The Lord is said to have descended from Kailasa, accompanied by the 3,000 sages. These sages have hereditary rights to worship the Lord, and their legacy continues to this day. Ananda Natana Prakasham in Ragam Kedara set to Mashra Chafatal.
आनंद नटन प्रकाशम आनंद नटन प्रकाशम चेत्सभेशम आनंद नटन प्रकाशं चेत्सभेशम् आश्रयामि शिवकामवल्लीशम् आनन्द नटनय प्रकाशम् चेत्सभेशम् आश्रयामि शिवकामवल्लीशम् आनन्द नटन प्रकाशम् चेत्सभेशम् आश्रयामि शिवकामवल्लीशम् भानुकोटि कोटि संकाशम् मुक्ति मुक्ति प्रद दहरकशम् भानु पतञ्जलि व्याघ्रपाद दर्शित कुञ्जित चरणम् आनन्द नटन प्रकाशम् सीतांशु गङ्गाधरं नीलकन्दरं श्रीकेदारदि क्षेत्र आधारं सीतांशु गङ्गाधरं नीलकन्दरं श्रीकेदारदि क्षेत्र आधारं भूतेशं शार्दूल चर्माम्बरं चिदम्बरं भूसुरादि सहस्रमुनीश्वरं विश्वेश्वरं नवनीतहृदयं सदय गुरुगुह कातमद्यं वेदवेद्यं वीतरागिणम् अप्रमेयाद्वैत प्रतिपाद्यं सङ्गीतवाद्य विनोदताण्डवजात बहुतर वेदचोद्य सङ्गीत विनोद जात बहुतर वेदचोद्यं पाणिनि सतक जनुत सानिनि झं तरित समगम निमगद गदधण मागम पप सानिनि झं तरि मग तदिङ्गिण निनि सतक जनुत सनिनि झं तरित समगम प निमग तदण तक मगम पप सनिनि झं तरि मग तदिङ्गिण तुम तझं तरि मग तदिङ्गिण तुम तझं तरि मग तदिङ्गिण तुमानन्द नटन प्रकाशं चित्सवेशम् आश्रयामि शिवकाम वल्लीशम्
Today's main composition is the captivating Sarasaksha Paripalaya, which promises to be a rich and immersive experience. This intricate piece will feature an Alapanai, a nuanced exploration of the raga as well as Kalpanaswarams, showcasing the artist's mastery of improvisation. The item will also include a Tani Avartanam segment where the talented Vibha will take center stage, delivering an elaborate solo percussion performance. Vidwan Ishwaran will join Vibha, adding his expertise to create a truly unforgettable experience. The grand finale will feature a specially composed Mohra and Korvai, crafted exclusively for today's program. Presenting Sarasaksha Paripalaya in the ragam Pantu Varali, set to Talam Adi.
na na सारसाक्ष परिपालय मामयि सन्ततम् सारसाक्ष परिपालय मामयि सन्ततं करुणया जगदीश 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 जगदीश सार साक्ष नीरजास्त्र जनकादिक मे जगा नीरजास्त्र जनकादिक मे जगा नीरजास्त्र जनकादिक मे जग नीरदाप हरिनायक भयहद नीरजास्त्र जनकादिक मे जग नीरदाप हरिनायक भयहद सार साक्ष परिपालय मामयि सन्ततं करुणया जगदीश सार साक्ष भीमसेव्य तममङ्गललीलमुद भीमसेव्य तममङ्गललीलमुद कुरु मे कुशलं भव भीमसेव्य तममङ्गललीलमुद कुरु मे कुशलं भव भीतिनाशन शनादुत गुणनिलय भीतिनाशन शनादुत गुणनिलय कामिनी समुदयाशय मोहना भामिनी समुदयाशय मोहना भामिनी समुदयाशय मोहन पद्मनाभ कमलादरणीदर भामिनी समुदयाशय मोहन पद्मनाभ कमलादरणीदर सार साक्ष परिपालय मामयि सन्ततं करुणया जगदीश सार साक्ष पदनि सार साक्ष सानिदपम पदनि सार साक्ष रे गम गम पदनि सार साक्ष पदनि दपम गम पदनि सार साक्ष गनि सा निदप पदनि सार साक्ष सारि सनि दप पदनि सार साक्ष गारि सनि द नि द पद sani da pa ma pa da ma ga ma ga re pa da ni sa da sa ksha ga ma pa ma ga re sa re ga ma pa da ni sa da sa ksha sa ni sa da ni pa da ma pa ga re ga ma pa da sa da sa ksha pa da ni sa ri ga ma pa da ni re ga ma pa da sa ri ga ma pa da sa da sa ksha sa ri ga ri sa ni da ni ri sa ni da pa da ga ma pa da ni sa da sa ksha sa ni da pa ma ga ma ga ri pa da ni sa da sa ksha sa ri sa ni da pa ma pa da ni sa sa ri ga ri sa ni da ni ri sa ni da sa ni da pa ma ga pa da ni sa pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa ri ga ma pa da ni ri sa sa ni da pa ma pa da ni sa ri sa ni da pa da ni sa ga ri sa ni da pa da ni ri sa ga ri sa ni da pa ma pa da ni sa ga ma pa da ni sa ma pa da ni ri sa ga ma pa da ni ri sa ga ma pa da ni sa 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 ni ri sa ni ri sa ni da da ni da da ni pa pa da ma ma pa ga ma ri ga sa sa ri ni sa ni sa ri sa ni sa ri ga ri sa ni sa ri ga ma ga ri sa ri ga ma pa ma ga ri sa ri ga ma pa da ni sa ri ga ri sa ni da pa da ni sa ga ri sa ni da pa da ni sa ni da pa ma pa da ga ri sa ri ga ri sa pa da ni sa ga ri sa ga ri sa ni da ga ri sa ni da ga ri sa ni da pa sa ni da pa ma ga ma pa da pa ma pa da ni da 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 ma pa da pa ma pa da ni da pa da ni sa ri ga ri sa ri ga ri sa pa da ni sa ga ri sa ga ri sa ni da ga ri sa ni da ga ri sa ni da pa ga ma pa da ni sa la sa ksha
Vrindavani Venu is a soulful composition by Sant Bhanudas set in the enchanting surroundings of Vrindavan, where Lord Krishna spent his idyllic childhood days. The Abhanga vividly describes the mesmerizing sound of the flute, which resonates through the mountains and forests of Vrindavan, entrancing all who hear it. The animals too are captivated by the flute's melody, forgetting their natural animosity and gathering in harmony, presenting Vrindavani Venu in Ragam Bhimplas and Talamadi.
Vrindavani Venu Vrindavani Venu Vrindavani Venu Vaze Vrindavani Venu Vaze Vrindavani Venu Venu Kavanacha Maya Vaze Venu Kavanacha Maya Vaze Venu Nade Govardhanu Gaze Venu Nade Govardhanu Gaze Vrindavani Venu Vaze Vrindavani Venu Puchha Pasaruni Mayura Viraje Puchha Pasaruni Mayura Viraje Puchha Pasaruni Mayura Viraje Maza Pahata Bhasati Yadavaraje Pahata Bhasati Yadavaraje Raje Vrindavani Venu Vaze Vrindavani Venu Trunacharacharu Trunacharacharu Visarali Trunacharacharu Visarali Gaye Vyagra Eke Thai Zali Gaye Vyagra Eke Thai Zali Pakshi Kule Nivant Rahili Pakshi Kule Nivant Rahili Vairabhav Samula Visarali Vairabhav Samula Visarali Vrindavani Venu Vaze Vrindavani Venu Dhvani Manzula Manzula Umatati Dhvani Manzula Manzula Umatati Vaki Runa Zuna Runa Zuna Vazati Vaki Runa Zuna Runa Zuna Vazati Deva Vimani Vaisoni Stuti Gati Deva Vimani Vaisoni Stuti Gati Bhanudasa 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 Bhavani Prema Bhakti Prema Bhakti Prema Bhakti Vrindavani Venu Vaze Vrindavani Venu Vaze Vrindavani Venu Vrindavani Venu Vrindavani Venu
We conclude today's Arangetram with the Tirupugal Yerumail, a sacred composition penned by the revered poet Saint Arunagirinatha. This divine hymn is set to the majestic Ragam Suruti and the energetic Khanda Chaputalam. In Yerumail, Arunagiri Nathar extols the virtues of Lord Muruga, the divine warrior, and seeks his protection and guidance. The lyrics are infused with devotion, spirituality, and a deep sense of reverence.
ஏறுமயில் ஏறி விளையாடும் முகமொன்றே ஏறுமயில் ஏறி விளையாடும் முகமொன்றே ஈஷருடன் ஞான மொழி பேசும் முகமொன்றே கூறும் அடியார்கள் வினை தீர்த்த முகமொன்றே குன்றுருவ வேலாங்கி நின்ற முகம் ஒன்றே மாறுபடு சூரரை வதைத்த முகமொன்றே மாறுபடு சூரரை வதைத்த முகமொன்றே வள்ளியை மனம் புணர வந்த முகமொழே வள்ளியை மனம் புணர வந்த முகமொழே ஆறுமுகமான பொருள் நீயருள வேண்டும் ஆதி அருணாச்சலம் அமர்ந்த பெருமாளே எருமையில் ஏறி விளையாடும் முகமொன்றே ஈஸ்வருணடான பொழி பேசும் முகமொன்றே கூறுமடியார்கள் விரை தீர்த்த முகமொன்றே குன்றுருவ வேல்மாகி நின்ற முகமொன்றே மாறுபடு சூரரை வடைத்த முகமொன்றே வள்ளியை மனம் புணர வந்த முகமொன்றே ஆறுமுகமான பொருள் நீ அருள வேண்டும் ஆதி அருணாச்சலம் அமர்ந்த பெருமானே
I feel extremely guilty breaking this round of applause because I think Vibha truly deserves this and more. A big thanks to each one of you for all the encouragement. I request you to be seated for just a few minutes more. Sorry for trying your patience. But we really need to felicitate. What you have seen today is just a part of a big team that has worked very hard to make this dream of Vibha's come true. It isn't enough to just dream. One has to work consistently, one has to work hard, and one has to have that belief that one can do it. And then, when you set about doing it, aided by your loving parents who believe in you. So a big round of applause for both Lakshmi and Vishweshwaran. I have seen them around for very many years. I feel very happy and little proud that before Murthy, Vibha did Arangetram with me. So she's completed her Bharatanatyam Arangetram. She went on to learn her vocals. She completed her training in Carnatic vocal under Subbalakshmi teacher. And then Dakshinamurthy sir came into her life. And there, she completed this also. And the big beaming smile on sir's face says that she did him proud. I don't know how many sleepless nights he had, but She. But yes, it's been, and from Sanskriti, it is tradition to give a small memento and certificate. She already has one, and one more now laid on her mantelpiece. So,
Por. All the best.
a teacher can't have it so easy. He sat down, we're going to make him get up again. He was a teacher who believed in Vibha, nudged her, goaded her, taught her to believe in her dream, and a token of love and appreciation for Dakshinamurthy sir. Thank you so much for this honor that you have. I'm very fast and our very first arrangement in these premises. Okay, Vishweshwaran says, please mention first female Murdanisi. She's grown to be a wonderful classical vocalist, but to me she'll always be my Kirtana Baba. Kirtana Krishna. Mesmerizing vocals, I can feel your hearts with joy.
Yes, ma'am. Madam. Hello. Thank you.
I think she has been associated with Sanskriti since she was this high. So she is truly my papa. I know I don't look all that old, but still. S.R. Balasubramanian sir on the violin. Balu sir again has been with us from the day of inception of Sanskriti.
Hello.
And I think it must be a very special day for him to accompany one of our students. So I think a very special day for him. And my Ishwar sir who added that extra zing to the mridangam. Am I being left out? So we are doing proxy for Kalishwaran, who recited the Murugan Kautam, who is Dakshinamurthy's Anna, and whatever he says about him is, he thinks the world of him. And nothing happens without Anna's comes up and his blessings. I have had the honor, the privilege, the blessings to have learned from Murthy's and Kalishwaran's father.
Thank you, ma.
Adhivelu Masterji, and I can't even express what it means to have these two boys doing so well and serving the art form. Now to the Shakti of Murthy's life. K. Parasali, who played the saxophone so beautifully. Today she took the mic, and tomorrow, with Vandana's and Kishore's blessings, she will be the next person, or maybe after 2 or 3, because she's just started, inspired by Vibha. We have another dancer, Mudita, who has taken to the Mridangam. Quite love it, like, in the Mridangam class, Murthy will tell the boys, "Ennada paarida, eppadi adikira." So according to him, all the girls have a very strong hand. God bless their husbands. The Mridangam that you all heard today is all possible because of that wonderful artist who created it, who made it sound what it was. Tanjavur Murali, please come.
Thank you.
Jittu Patil, आइए please. अच्छा, between both of them they are saying आप ले ले, आप ले ले. Yes. Thanks to their wonderful music system, we were able to create this magic in this little place of ours. So thank you so much. And capturing all this for posterity, Basid Ji of Mission Photos. Well, thanks to each and every one of you, some of you seniors who have come here from so far, all because of your love for Murthy. Thank you so much. You want to speak? Okay, he says that's enough of you talking. This is what happens to poor me.
Thank you so much everyone for coming. So I remember the first day when Vibha came for Mridangam class, already Vaibhav, Arush and all were learning from me. So Vibha's appa வந்து என்கிட்ட சொன்னாங்க, சார் இவ டான்ஸ்ல அரங்கேற்றம் முடிச்சிட்டா, பாட்லைன் கோர்ஸ் முடிச்சிட்டா, அடுத்தது மிருதங்கம் தான் பாக்கின்னு. So within 5 years, almost 5 years complete பண்ணிருக்கோம் just. So 5 years she has worked a lot, but you know it is not that easy. Last ஒரு 3 months நான் விடவே இல்லை. I want this way ன்னு சொல்லி. So அதுக்கு ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டிருக்கேன் விபா. And when I asked her, "Kumari Pannalamanu kettappo," I had 2 options, one Vibha and Arush. So Arush munadi Vibha sonnanga, "Sir, if you are planning for me, I am going to take a course which I will skip and I will start next year." So for the Mridangam Arangetram, she has skipped the course which she will do next year. So that commitment she has, and she is doing LLB பண்றாங்க. And அது போக she is also traveling college எல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு. So whatever she has done, she has given her best. Thank you so much and எல்லாரும் உங்களோட support பண்ணி. In 2005, I first came to Sanskriti to accompany for Tyagaraja Aradhana. So that time I met Asha Akka. So at that time I spoke to her. இந்த மாதிரி அக்கா எனக்கு ஒரு கிளாஸ் எடுக்கிறதா சான்ஸ் வந்தா கொடுங்க அப்படின்னு. So it worked in 2016 இருக்குமாக்கா? 2018. 2019. No? So that trust she had in me. And so that trust she had in me, and the students who all are learning, they know how much sincere it is to be learning the art form. It is not that easy. So யாரெல்லாம் practice பண்றீங்களோ please whatever art form you are doing, please practice a lot. Only practice can help you all, and only your hard work can take you to more success. Still Viva has to learn lot of many things. This is just her beginning. So no pogo she will develop, and the future no programs I will try to help her a lot. So before going, I just want all the students, Nalanda and Mridhanam students, please come. We will take one photo. It's my humble request. So எல்லாரும் காமிக்கல எவ்வளவு பேர் படிக்கிறீங்க and practice பண்ணலாம் அதுக்கு வேற photo. Right? Please come fast. And thank you so much each and everyone for coming. And Murli and all the way from this thing, Raja, my friend, he has come all the way from Chembur.
लाइट चालू करो
थोड़ा ऊपर जाने दो ना.
Round of applause for Asha Miss and Sunil sir. Because this was not possible without their efforts and their help. We only relied on them. Thank you so much, sir. It wouldn't have been possible without you. Secondly, I would like to thank each and every artist here, Ishwaran sir, Balu sir and Kirtan Akka, because they, and also Kalishwaran sir and Selvi ma'am, because they adjusted for me, which is not easy. I'm really grateful till I'll never forget this. And lastly, to show gratitude to each and every person who is here, snack box are being distributed now. Please collect it. It is a humble request. Please don't go empty-handed. Thank you so much.